Namaste, welcome to all. Welcome to Swami Vivekananda Yoga Trust channel. Myself, Dilip Kumar. I am a senior yoga therapist, Arogyadhama, SVasa Yoga University, Bengaluru. Now, today we are going to practice yoga for psychiatric disorders like anxiety, depression, mood disorders. Let's start the practices. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture, either Sukhasana or Vajrasana or Padmasana. As per your comfort, you can choose yourself. Just place your both the palms in Chin Mudra. Just touch your tip of the thumb and your index finger. Place your palms on your knees or on your thighs. Completely collapse your body. Close your eyes. Just bring your awareness to your tip of your nose. Observe your breathing process. Observe your heartbeat. Try to slow down your breath. Try to calm down your mind. Physically and mentally be prepared yourself. Relax. Let's start with the 3 Omkara chantings. Take a deep breath in, chant Omkar while you are exhaling. Second round, inhale. Third round. Just observe the resonance, observe the sounds, vibrations in the body. Gently with a few blinks, open your eyes. Okay, in these practices, we are going to practice some loosening practices, some breathing practices and some dynamic practices and dynamic Surya Namaskar and some asanas. Okay, let's start with some standing practices. Join your both legs together. Keep your hands by the sides of your body. This is the sthiti. Now let's start with breathing practice. Hands in and out breathing. Now slowly bring your hands in front of your chest. Join your palms together. As you inhale, slowly expand your chest and stretch your hands sideways. As much as you can, just expand your chest, stretch your hands. While you are exhaling, slowly bring your hands in front of your chest. Try to synchronize your hands movements with your breathing process. Inhale, stretch. Exhale. Bring your hands in front of your chest. Close your eyes and do the same practice. Inhale, stretch. Observe your chest, breath, observe your hands. Exhale, slowly bring your hands in front of your chest. Let's continue for 7 more rounds. Now, let's go for the next practice. Ankle stretch breathing. In the ankle stretch breathing, join your legs together. Open your eyes. Join your both legs together. Place your palms on your thighs. Gaze at any point in front of you. Just look at any point. While you are inhaling, slowly raise your hands and at the same time raise your heels up. Try to stretch your ankles and your hands. Stretch your hands and your ankles. While you are exhaling, slowly bring your hands and heels down. Try to synchronize your hands movements, your ankle movements with your breathing process. Let's continue. Inhale, stretch your hands and heels up. Exhale, slowly and gently bring your hands and heels down. Synchronize your ankle movements, your hands movements with your breath. Inhale up, exhale down. Now let's continue for 10 rounds. The same practice. As you inhale, just lift up your ankles and lift up your hands as much as you can. Try to balance your body on your toes. Let's continue for 10 rounds. After completing 10 rounds, gently drop your hands down, relax, release your legs, release your hands, relax for a few seconds. Now let's go for the next practice. Loosening practices, neck movements. Just place your both the palms on your waist. While you are inhale, slowly bend your head back, look up. And as you exhale, bend down, touch your chin to your chest. Let's continue for 6 rounds. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Continue for 3 more rounds. Now, after completing forward and backward movements, let's go for side bendings. Inhale and exhale, bend your head towards right. Inhale, center and exhale, bend it towards left. Inhale and exhale, right. Inhale and exhale, left. Inhale and exhale, right. Inhale and exhale, left. Let's continue for 3 more rounds. After completing 6 rounds, let's go for twisting of your neck. Inhale, center, and while you are exhaling, twist your head, look towards your right side. Do not move your shoulders. Inhale, center, and exhale, move towards your left. Inhale and exhale, right side. Inhale and exhale, left side. Inhale and exhale, right. Inhale and exhale, left. If possible, close your eyes. Do the same practice for 3 more rounds. After completing 6 rounds, let's go for the rotations. Clockwise direction. Close your eyes or open your eyes as per your comfort. Just slowly bend your head forward. Move towards right, back, left, and down. Let's continue in this direction. Clockwise direction. Half circle inhalation and half circle exhalation. Inhale up and exhale, slowly bring down. Let's continue for 3 more rounds in this clockwise direction. Synchronize your breathing and your neck movements. After completing 6 rounds, now let's go for anti-clockwise movements. Slowly bend your head forward, slowly move towards your left, then back, then right, and down. Continue. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Let's continue for 3 more rounds. Don't stop. Let's continue 3 more rounds anti-clockwise direction with awareness on your neck and your breath. After completing 6 rounds, gently stop the practice. Now, let's go for arms rotation. Take your both hands in front of your chest. Make loose fist of your palms. Let's go to the rotation of your both the arms. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. 3, 4, 5. The same way, let's continue for 10 rounds. Continue 10 rounds. Don't stop. After completing 10 rounds, now let's go for reverse direction, anti-clockwise movements. Inhale up and exhale down. 1, 2, inhale and exhale. 3, 4, 5. Continue for 10 rounds. After completing 10 rounds, gently stop the practice and relax. Now let's go for jogging. Make loose fist of your palm. Place your palms on your chest. Join your legs together. Now let's start with the toe jogging. Toes on the ground. Just move your heels up and down. As much as you can, just move your body completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Continue. 10, 11, 12, 13. Continue for a few rounds. Slow down. Now raise your knees up as much as you can. Just raise your knees up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue. 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. Speed up. Speed up as much as you can until you feel exhausted. You can continue the practice. Slow down. Slow down. Now let's go for backward jogging. Try to touch your heels to your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Speed up as much as you can. Continue for few more rounds. Slow down. Slow down. Now let's go for jumping. Make loose fist of your palm. Let's go for jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continue. 8, 9, 10. Continue for a few more rounds. Slow down. Now let's go for the next practice. Clap jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue for 20 rounds. Just relax. Stop the practice. Just take little apart between your both the feet. Place your palms on your knees. Lean little forward. Inhale through your nose and forcefully exhale through your mouth. Let's continue for a few more rounds. Just relax. Now let's go for side bendings. Just spread your legs. Take minimum 1 meter gap between your both the feet. Take your hands up to shoulder level. Palms facing to the floor. Keep your hands parallel to the ground. Inhale while you are exhaling. Slowly bend towards your right side. Place your right palm wherever it is possible on your right leg. Just stretch your left hand. Try to look towards your fingers. Then inhale center and exhale, bend towards your left side. Place your left palm on your left leg wherever it is possible. Keep your right hand straight. Look towards your right fingers. Try to keep your hands and your chest in a straight line. Don't bend forward or backward. Inhale center and exhale right. Inhale center and exhale left. Look towards your right fingers. Let's continue the same practice for a few more rounds. These are the practices for yoga for depression and anxiety. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.